I am Eric Phillips, Director of Product at the Institute's RiskStream Collaborative, or RiskStream for short. RiskStream is a technology consortium within the property casualty insurance world, and our goal as a consortium is to help our membership design solutions that solve for multi-party business process challenges. So situations where insurance companies need to collaborate to solve challenges. I am a product lead at the company. My team holds virtual working group sessions with our membership to explore technologies and design solutions to help the membership. Our membership is comprised of, like I said, property casualty insurers who make up a sizable majority of the domestic insurance premium within the United States and abroad as well.
Wonderful. I'm so glad you're here. So I wonder if you could tell us a little bit about the before state, the problem space. What kinds of challenges does your organization and the industry that you represent, what do you face that confidential computing is a good response to?
Sure. I think it's important to acknowledge the amount of data within the insurance world. Insurance companies have access to vast amounts of data, both customer data, vehicle data, and general data supplemented by third-party sources. And the question becomes, how do I leverage this vast mountain of data that I have, but how do I do so securely and in a way that protects my company and my customers? So confidential computing and associated technologies are a very necessary next step for the industry because of the need to unlock business value and insights from data, keeping it confidential, keeping it encrypted, and having assurances that no one else has seen my raw data. It also enables multi-party collaboration with companies across the spectrum, and that can unlock a tremendous amount of business value when you turn on that switch.
I bet. So you're in a unique position to speak to a regulated, data-rich, very competitive industry where people in your consortium are coming together, organizations are coming together, and now with confidential computing, you can envision a present and a future where new levels of collaboration are possible. What does that deliver in terms of results?
It's very exciting for us too. Our specialty is that multi-party collaboration space. So when you can partner up companies in a secure environment and give them that level of trust, then you start to unlock a host of use cases across the insurance value chain. The space that we are starting in is the fraud space. So we partnered with Opaque on a fraud solution that enables carriers to submit data confidentially to the platform and analyze it against a fraud model. So the return results is alerting carriers to potential fraud across a variety of auto insurance claims. And that there's real dollars attached to that, those fraud alerts. So that's only one small example. There's a host of other use cases across not just claims, but underwriting, et cetera, that multi-party collaboration on sensitive data can be very, very useful.
Can you give us a sense of further detail on that? What are some of those more specific ongoing use cases? If they're as interesting as the first, I'd love to hear about more of them.
We're excited about diving into multi-party usages of AI, and the feedback we've gotten from our members is security around AI is paramount. The ability to be able to explain what is in an AI model and have the assurance that my sensitive data isn't being used outside of the scope that I intended is truly important for these companies to be able to leverage AI to the extent that they want to. So we are seeing confidential computing enable AI through the gateway product and other methodologies that can really help with a multi-party use of AI. So companies are already kind of exploring internally how AI can be leveraged, but it's much more challenging when it comes to multi-party. And the multi-party aspect becomes very interesting because then you're leveraging an AI model with a much wider data set. It's cross-company data, and interesting patterns and trends can emerge from that. So we're very excited about that project. That is going to be kicking off in our consortium next month. And we are grateful to have partners like Opaque and others at the table to help enable our members with that capability.
Wonderful. Where do you see the industry of confidential computing going in the near to medium term, and where is it important that the industry goes, do you think?
I think it needs to be part of the regular conversation so that it's not tech decision makers who are choosing to adopt. It is your business unit leaders who may not have the tech background easily understanding why this adds value to their organization. So I'm excited that it's becoming more and more relevant. I think this conference that we're attending today and tomorrow is proof of that, with the number of attendees across a variety of industries, so that it's not some future vision. It's a regular business practice that is accepted by not only security and architecture teams, but your business unit leaders as well. So having that as part of the normal zeitgeist is very important for us, and I'm excited to see where it goes here in the next 12 to 18 months.